and jumping all the way. One jumped high and splashed in the pond. Now there are four, where has he gone? Hey, five little frogs so full of cheer, jumping around with nothing to fear. One took a leap splash, oh my. Now there are four, let's wave goodbye. Hey. Four little frogs in the bright sunshine, hopping and croaking, feeling just fine. One found a lily, took a big dive. Now there are three still having a jive. Three little frogs on a log so tall. One lost balance, oh no, fall into the water, swimming so free. Now there are two giggling with glee. Two little frogs having such fun, bouncing and playing in the golden sun. One got sleepy, took a long snooze. Now there is one, oh what to do. Oh, one little frog feeling so alone, called his friends on the lily phone. They all came back with a jump and a dive. Now there are five, hooray, they're alive. Mac